This kanji have the meaning of year. When we say about the year in Japanese, we will say about this kanji. And this kanji have the onyomi reading like nen and kunyomi reading like toshi. So this kanji have only two sound reading. As you see here, we have nen and toshi. So every time we talk about the nen, we talk about the year, we write this kanji. So let's see about the compound word of this kanji. How do they use for this kanji? Nen is mean year in AD, or we will use to counter for a year. For example, this year we say 2023, right? So we say in Japanese, we say 2023年. Or if we say in the year 1999, in Japanese we will say 1999年. Like this. 去年is mean last year. Nen is mean the year, but kyo is mean for in the past. The kanji of kyo is mean in the past, so that mean the past year, so it mean last year. Lainen is mean next year. Lai is mean the future. So this kanji, here the kanji lai is mean the time in the future. So we say lainen is mean the time, the next year. So it for next year. 4年 is mean several years. For the kanji of 4 or kazu is mean the number. So number of the year, so it mean when we put the kanji of 4 is mean number of several. So when we put the kanji of 4 and then which means several year. Nenle is mean age or years. Nenle is mean we will use for the people. For example, how old are you, or how old is that thing? So for example, we say 年齢はいくつですか? 年齢はいくつですか is mean, for example, how old are you, or what is your age, something like this. So we call 年齢. Lei is from the year of the people. So you put nen is mean age or year of the person or of the thing. Kingnen is mean recent years. The kanji king is mean the recent. For example, saikin is mean the recent. So the king is mean the king is mean is have the meaning that recent. For example, michikai or something like the recent. So when we put this kanji, the king to be named, so we say about the recent years, king name. Shinnen is mean new year. The kanji of shin is have the meaning of new, and it from the verb like atarashi, right? Atarashi, we use the kanji of shin, so it have the meaning that new. So we put with the kanji of nen, so that it have the meaning that new year. Shinnen, new year. Nenmatsu. Nenmatsu. Nenmatsu is mean year end or end of the year. The kanji of matsu is mean the end of something. For example, shumatsu, nenmatsu, right? So something that end, they use the kanji of matsu. Is have the meaning of something that end. So when we say about nenmatsu, it means end of the year or year end. Or shumatsu is mean end of the week. So you should know each meaning of each kanji. Kotoshi. Kotoshi. Kotoshi is mean this year. Koto is mean the kanji koto is mean now, right? From the verb that ima, right? Ima is mean now, so we put the kanji of ima with the year. So we say kotoshi is mean this year. Ototoshi. Ototoshi. This means year before last. Do you understand? Year before last. What's the meaning? Ototoshi is mean last year. The year before last year. If we say last year, we say about kyonen, right? Kyonen is mean last year. But the year before last year is mean year before last. And they say ototoshi is mean the year before last year. Toshiue. Toshiue. Toshiue is mean older or senior. Toshiue no hito is mean the people that is had an old age more than you or anybody that they talking about. Toshi is mean the year, and ue is mean top, right? Top or up. So it means the people who have the age that older than you or the person that speaking the word toshue. Toshishita. Toshishita. Toshishita is mean younger or junior. Toshi is mean year, and shita is mean both is mean the down, right? So toshishita is mean down. If you are talking, that's mean compared to you or compared to somebody. That toshishita is mean the year down. That if you are talking, that you mean the people younger than you. So you say toshishita no hito is mean the person who has the younger than you. Hantoshi. Hantoshi, half year. Han is mean have the meaning that half of something. So we put hantoshi is mean half of the year. So this hantoshi is mean half year or 6 months. Maitoshi. Maitoshi. Maitoshi is mean every year or yearly. Toshiage. Toshiage. Toshiage is mean beginning of the year or early in the new year. Otoshi. Otoshi is mean New Year's event. Otoshi is mean for the new year that there are many events that happen, so they call Otoshi. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have not subscribed my channel, please help me subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. And let's see you the next video clip about learning Japanese. Arigatou gozaimashita.